recording again. So if you are in the team right now and the BAs have not written the requirement and they are writing it, what you'll be doing is you'll be setting up as well, right? For instance, you might look into the system and say, okay, what do we need? We need our environment. Okay, where is the environment that we want to use, right? Let's say you are a automation tester. You'll be setting up your Visual Studio, right? You'll be doing the requirements and everything. You know, I spoke about test environment as well. You'll be putting those in, right? Another thing that also you'll also be doing while BAs are written the requirement, while they are writing the requirement, is you also will be looking at test cases that you need to do, right? So maybe you know the application is Prep Major, right? For this application, what are the things based on experience you can do, like exploratory testing on the application, right? So to just familiarize yourself with the requirement. So another techniques I mentioned, right? Maybe let us jog our memory. If you don't have requirements, right, and you want to test an application, what techniques are you going to use? Let's see if we get that. If you don't have requirements and you want to test an application.
I think you mentioned the something experience.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
okay.
Yeah, it's experience. You're going to test based on experience. You can do exploratory testing. Exploratory testing is also experience-based as well. So you just go through, like you walk through the application for you to have knowledge about the application. That's another thing that you can do as well. Do you get it now? And also, to be honest, it's also possible in some instances when you might not have anything to do, you might just be sitting down waiting. And in that instance, they give you a document to start reading about the justice one. So, but if you are also the first person or you're a test lead as well, it's also the time that you start to write your test plan, test strategy. And yeah, so we're going to talk about test strategy later as well. Do you get it now? And also test plan, right? So test strategy is a document that most especially the test lead, or if you are the only tester, you need to do, right? So this will tell you what the system, what is quality within the application, right? Or within the system, actually. So we're going to talk about this later. So those are the things that you will be doing as you are waiting anyway. Okay.
Thank you very much.
No worries. Any other question, please? Okay, so I know I have gone through this quickly, but more often this is going to be practical, right? So get ready. And like I said, software testing is easy, to be honest. It's work in the park. I can trust me. So, and I will make sure that it's easy for you, right? Just come in every time, and then also make sure that you get your hands dirty whilst we go along during this anyway. So I'll be kind of the main facilitator of this meeting, or to get it now, but there are other people coming in as well to assist as you go along. But trust me, you're going to have a very good time. Yeah. Okay. Any other question before? I think we got 1 minute left. Okay.